Hi guys, very good evening. This is Pankaj Lohia. Once again, I have just come up with a very beautiful video for you. And I'm going to make the short video today so that you can enjoy the beautiful video over here. And right now you can see over here, there are so many childrens who are, you know, playing, and I don't know what kind of things they are just making over here. I think they are trying to make the road, you know, they are just enjoying a lot over here, but they do not have any toys for playing. So instead of instead of holding the toys, they are just holding the stones and all that. All right. And this girl name is Hina, and he's Mr. Golu. Just now he has come from the jungle. All right. So slowly I'm going to move the camera over here. As you can see, the beautiful location, the beautiful greeneries over here. And here you go. There is a tap which is leaking a lot. This is the post, and this is the very old post. I think it's been almost 8 or 9 years of this post since it was fixed over here. All right. And here you go. Here you can see Mr. Chittuka, who is just standing in front of the syntax. And this syntax is of 500 liter. And slowly we are just going very closer to this syntax, and we are going to check whether the water availability is there inside it or not. All right. So I have just opened it. Oh my god, the water is there, but the water is half in the syntax, not full. All right. So we are just going to fill this syntax very soon. Wow, great. Super. What a nice scene. This is the evening time, so that's why the videography is not going to up to the mark, because the camera is not up to the mark for this evening time. So here you can see the Salyadi. All right, many people they go there in the jungle. Oh, wow, superb. And here you can see there is a green kind of plant, and this is cucumber. This is called cucumber. All right, I think there is a small cucumber on the top of this, you know, plant. And here, in order to get a lot of cucumbers from this plant, they have just, put in this kind of tree over here, small tree. We can actually call it thakra in Pahadi language. Okay. And this is the way for going Mallaghar. Okay. And slowly I'm just heading towards so that I can show you the entire location of here, our village Nankudi Shimla. Okay. Wow, what a nice and beautiful locations, isn't it? So many houses are there. Superb. I believe that, guys, definitely you are going to enjoy this beautiful village of mine, Uttarakhand, because Uttarakhand is the land of God, right? You can see the sky, clouds are there. We are not sure whether the rain is going to be there today or not, but this is the month of August, and it is sure that definitely the rain will be there. And slowly, again, I'm going to show you some special things over here. Wow, superb. Here you can see the big tree. This tree's name is Tuni Rook in Pahadi language. And this is called Salvira. Can you see, guys? This is called Salvira. Wow, super fantastic, isn't it? And she is following me. I don't know why. Great. Superb, isn't it? Everybody is very busy in their own work, and there is a smoke coming in very far over there. White. I hope that you must have seen it. Anya Bubu is also going towards Bubuji. Wow, great. So that's it for now. I will just see you later on with the very beautiful video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Have fun. Thank you.